What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I have some Grinch decor for your coffee bar, and I DIY'd everything that you're gonna see in the video. It's super easy and inexpensive, so if you wanna see how I created everything, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now let's jump right into it. Our first DIY is going to be this house sign that says "You're a mean one." Here I have a wood sign that I had lying around, and clearly you can see it's a little bit damaged, but it's okay because we're going to be reusing it. And I'm just applying some white chalk paint to have for a base. And while that's drying, I'm gonna take these two popsicle sticks and I'm gonna be cutting off the ends so then that way we have some straight lines. After that, we're gonna take the same white chalk paint and we're gonna apply it as a base to get it ready for the red paint. I'm then going to use a hot glue gun to glue the popsicle sticks. You can also use wood glue if you would like. And then I'm going to go onto the Cricut design space and create my wording, and here is the font that I used. And here I have a wired garland tie, and I'm going to be forming a wreath to hot glue it to the house. Next, I'm going to take this yarn and I'm going to tie a bow, and this is also going to get glued on to the wreath for the final touch. Our next DIY is this Grinch street sign, and to begin I'm going to be using this wood crate. These are the colors that I'm going to be using, and we are going to start off with some white chalk paint to start off as a base. The first color that we're going to start off with is green, then white, then red. I did have to apply 2 coats of paint in order for the brightness of the color to show through. Once everything has dried, I then go into design space, created my wording using the same font that you saw earlier in the video. I'm then going to take the same string that you saw earlier and I'm going to wrap it around the crate twice. Tie a bow, and then just to secure it and make sure that it doesn't really move around, I added some hot glue to the top of the bow just to keep everything together. The next DIY is this Grinch Tree. I got this mini tree from Dollar Tree. It's probably more time than I'm going to say tree, I'm sorry guys. But I'm going to grab these berries and I'm just going to hot glue them onto the tree. And then I'm going to grab the top part of it and I'm going to curve it inward because most of you know the Grinch tree is like curved on the top. And then here I'm just grabbing some chalk paint to use as my base, and I'm going to be painting on a heart. I then grabbed this wood bead and I painted it red, so then that way I can glue it to the tip of the tree, and then some Mod Podge just to finish it off. Our next DIY are these Grinch painted glass art. I'm painting on glass again, guys, and if you guys have not tried it, I highly recommend it. It is so much fun and it's peaceful. So here I just grabbed the design, printed it out, cut it out, and made sure that it fit perfectly within the glass frame. And here I am drawing with my Sharpie and I'm peeling off the design. If you want, you can leave it on there. I decided to take mine off. When you are applying the paint, you want to make sure that it's on the same side as the Sharpie, so then that way when you put it in the frame and you need to wipe it down in case it gets dusty, it will not remove the Sharpie. With this type of art, you can play around with different types of paints like metallics or even glitter. If you take some Mod Podge and you apply glitter and let it dry, it can give it a really nice look. And you can also use foam that has glitter already and just glue it on with Mod Podge. That's what I did with the Grinch hand sign, and it worked out really well. And a little tip, if you are going to be reusing the same colors again and you don't want to waste paint, then I would recommend using a Ziploc bag and storing it away, and you should be fine to use it again the next day. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. And until next time, guys, bye!